I picked up this little kit. It's like a little craft kit with the canvas and the already image of a farm truck, and it says harvest time. And I put their paints aside, and I'm going to start with Wise Owl Charleston Green on the truck. Once you cover with one coat of paint, you can still see the lines underneath the paint. And now I'm going to go in with Mandarina for the pumpkins in the back of the truck. And I'm just going to start by giving each image a full coat of paint. If at the end of this video you've learned something or you like the finished project, if you could please pass us along, it would be highly appreciated. Now I'm going in with Fireside, which is just a little lighter of an orange, and I'm going to start kind of highlighting the pumpkin. I'm going to go in with some chocolate for the stems, and then I'm going to outline some of the black already image lines and go over them in the chocolate. So I'm just emphasizing the details in the pumpkin. I took some chocolate and some snow owl and created this very light brown, and I'm going to do the fence posts. Then I'm going to do the wood portion of the back of the pickup, the rails, in the brown. I painted my tires black and then added the silver in the hubcap, down the running boards, in the back bumper, the front bumper and lights, and the windshield. This is the Wise Owl Metallics. Then I'm going to outline the details in the truck with the black, and then I'm going to go back to the metallic silver and do the road. Then I used Clear Glaze by Crayon as a top coat. I made a watered down Higgins Lake, put it all over my image, took a baby wipe and rubbed it back where the truck was, and this way you have that blue background for the sky. And once all that dried, I went in with a Sharpie and filled in the harvest time. I took a fine art brush and some dry time and did the little squigglies around the pumpkin. This was an add-on from me. There was no lines for that. And then I went in with some white and highlighted around the truck, around the fencing, and around my word harvest time. And the white is just going to really give you that pop. I took this piece of canvas from the Dollar Tree. It's 8 by 10. And then I'm going to use this tissue paper by Roy Cycle. It's called Fall Tartan. And I'm going to cut the portion that has that mustard vibe to it. I'm going to add my 1 hour enamel clear on the canvas. Add the tissue paper. And I'm going to decoupage it to the canvas. I'm going to use my saran wrap and my brayer to make sure the paper hits every portion of my project. I'm going to cut off the excess paper using a razor blade. And then I'm going to do my final coat of the 1 hour enamel clear and allow it all to dry. Once dry, I'm going to take my little picture here that I painted of the truck, and I'm going to glue it to the center of my canvas and wrap some rope from the Dollar Tree around my image just to give some interest. And then I found this napkin ring from Hobby Lobby on clearance, broke off the ring on the back, and glued the burlap flower down. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.